Greetings, back again here, and for this video I just wanted to show something that I've been working on here, and that is this, or I should say these, because these are two wireless Mega Drive controllers. These are 6-button controllers, and I actually just finished watching Sega Soldier's latest video where he showed the Genesis version of these controllers. So if you want a bit more detailed information about them, you can check that video out. But yeah, I'm currently working on these here, and I'm using these for this setup that I've got going here. Now this is a small, I don't know, 14-15 inch CRT, and this is one that I actually wound up getting from a friend of mine. So yeah, I wanted to do something with it, so I decided to set it up here next to my my computer here. So yeah, on top of it I've got one of my Mega Drives. It's one that I've modded, and since it's sitting on top of the TV here, if I were using regular controllers with wires, those wires would be hanging down in front of the screen here. So I dug out these wireless controllers that I had lying around, and you can see the receiver sort of sticking out here. And yeah, got the one controller here. The other one, you can see I've taken apart here. This is the board, and over here you can see all the different parts to it. I've cleaned all of those up, so I'm gonna put this back together here soon. I just need to clean the contact points on the board here, and I also need to replace this capacitor here. If you can see that it has leaked, so need to put in a new one. This is a 220 microfarad capacitor, so that shouldn't be a problem. I have a ton of those. So yeah, I'm gonna be replacing that here, and hopefully this will be working fine after that. And then I'm gonna take this one apart and clean this one up. I don't know if I need to replace anything inside of this. It is working, but you never know. Might need to replace capacitor in this one as well. This one was actually working too. It wasn't until I opened it up that I saw that the capacitor was broken here. So yeah, I'm gonna replace this, and I'll show you the end result. Alright, so before I put this back together here, I just thought I'd show you the new capacitor. And if you have one of these controllers and it isn't working properly, then this might be something to check. But yeah, I'm gonna put the case back on here and try this and see if it works. Alright, so here's the controller all put back together, and it's all nice and clean here. I put a couple of batteries in there, and I took out the Twin Hawk here to test it with. So I'll turn this on here. Now the problem with this TV here is that it's quite old, and unfortunately it doesn't support NTSC, so I have to run the games in PAL mode here, and there's probably gonna be a lot of flickering on the screen. But got the controller here, it's set to player 1, and let's set it up here. Start the game up. So yeah, I don't know how much you can see of the screen here. yeah, moving around works fine. And so that's the fire button. So yeah, it seems to be working just fine now. And I'm gonna do the same with the other one here. I'm gonna take it apart here, clean it, make sure there's no leaking capacitors in this one, and I'm all set to go here. So that's really all I had to show you. So bye for now, and I'll see you soon.